What if a second sun suddenly ignited on the horizon, rising above oceans already glowing with morning heat? People step outside in confusion as shadows split and the pavement burns darker beneath their feet. Newsrooms erupt in panic as cameras overheat and live broadcasts flicker and die under solar flare. Children scream across schoolyards where sunbeams slice the sky, converging like hard beams of light. A pilot squints behind cockpit glass, flying blind through twin suns blazing violently in the clouds. Farmers drop their tools and stare at fields steaming, watching wheat dry into glowing ash. Emergency services jam with desperate calls as traffic crashes rise rapidly under duplicated daylight. Windows are wrapped in foil and blankets, but heat still creeps through, softening plastic and turning curtains to tinder. Metal swings in playgrounds scorch bare skin in seconds as parents pull crying children from the heat. Military convoys abandon highways where tires melt into asphalt and engines catch fire one by one. Skylines shimmer under pressure as glass towers warp, twist, and collapse in burning waves. A man collapses beside a fountain drained to vapor, his skin cracking under relentless solar pressure. In deserts, sandstorms rise as air columns expand, pushed outward by twin radiation waves. Doctors wrap patients in wet sheets inside tents while power grids fail across major cities. Satellites fry in low orbit as solar storms double, blinding sensors and tearing through global feeds. People tear down billboards to make shade shelters on rooftops already glowing with chemical fumes. Frozen foods sizzle in grocery stores where generators explode, and safety alarms stay silent in the heat. Firefighters collapse beside empty hydrants, watching flames devour suburbs stripped of green cover. Subways fill with sweat and shouting as thousands flee from blinding streets into suffocating darkness. When the heat won't ease, people run to water, but it disappears fast, leaving silence, sweat, and broken shadows. Scientists in bunkers rewrite equations as their labs shake and solar readings exceed known physical limits. Cities broadcast final radio messages begging for answers, asking anyone how many suns they can see. People climb hills at dusk searching for darkness, finding only more light pressing from the sky. The world grows brighter than ever imagined, and still the second sun rises higher each day. Civilization waits for a sunset that never comes, realizing that on this new earth, day never ends. Like, subscribe, and get ready for more incredible scenarios that will twist your view of reality.